Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're in the kitchen. We're going to be making a chunky vegetable soup. I'm using some of the vegetables I've got left over from the Christmas holidays. It's New Year's Day today, so I hope you had a great Christmas, great New Year celebrations last night. But yeah, I'm going to be using up some of these vegetables. You can use any vegetables that you like. I'm using some carrot, potato, I've got some leek here, onion, bit of garlic, but you can use anything you like. So I'll just show you now what I'm going to be using and then we get cooking. Please, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It really does make a difference, and make sure to hit the notification bell so that you are alerted every time a new video goes up. So here we are. We've got 3 cloves of garlic there, a large onion. We've got 3 medium sort of sized potatoes, a large carrot. We've got some mixed herbs here, a vegetable stock cube there, and we've got 2 leeks. I'm only going to be using sort of that part of the leeks, not these leaves. So let's get these peeled and chopped and get them in the Ninja Soup Maker. So there we are. All our vegetables are chopped up into quite large chunks because the Ninja Soup Maker does do a few blends during the cooking cycle. All we need to do now is put them into the Ninja Soup Maker, add the mixed herbs, add the water, and let's get this soup cooking. So as you can see, I've just put all the ingredients inside there. I put a few mixed herbs at the top, filled it to the max fill hot line, and all we got to do now is put the lid on and get this thing cooking. Very easy machine to use. This lid just clips into place, locks into place like that. We're going to turn him on and we're going to hit chunky soup. Over here the heat on light has appeared. There's a heated platen at the bottom there. That's going to boil up the soup, and it will do some blends during the cycle as well. We've got a 30-minute countdown, and after that 30 minutes, if you don't do anything to the machine, it will go on to keep warm for another hour. So you could go out, come back to a lovely hot soup. I'll see you when it's done. Okay, so our chunky soup is now done. The keep warm light is indicated there, so that's going to keep warm for another hour. It is a really hot glass. This is a brilliant little soup making machine. Definitely recommend it. I've actually done a little review on it on my channel, so please go check that out. But yeah, can't wait to get tucked into this. Let's actually open up the lid and have a look inside. Lovely chunky soup. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I can't wait to get tucked into that soup with some nice bread and butter. If you did like the video, please hit that like button. And if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. It really does help the channel out. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, guys.